Hi, my YouTubers. You know, I always said on my channel, I keep it real, and it's real food, real time, real people. Well, you know what? Everything else is real time as well. I just did a short. We were out having a beautiful lunch doing Taco Tuesday, enjoying ourselves to the fullest, having some tequila, margaritas. And we got home, and what you see in front of you is brand new carpet. Let me go a little closer. Okay, we just discovered when we got home that it was delivered. And I have to say, I'm going to show you. Remember, we put the real new carpet down in the living room? Well, we had to since take that carpet and put it into the den, which also needed a new carpet. We were preparing to buy one for that room separately. But in the interim, there she goes over there. Okay, see? She's got to put this is real time. She's over there taking a tinkle on the paper. Good girl. What a good girl. In any event, here, see, there's the culprit, Tallulah Bell. That carpet was in the living room one night. We woke up and she did a business right on. Like, come out here, little culprit. Come out here, guilty girl. What did you do on the new carpet? She did her business. So I said to Vinny, this is the situation. We're able to close the den at night and block her off because of the sliding pocket door. So we decided to take that beautiful light carpet, traditional style, and put it in the den because actually it goes better with all our other furnishings in there. That's another video, and you're gonna all say, yeah, Janine, good call. You made the right choice. But now I had to go out and I bought another one. I went online and I got something darker. In the meantime, we have the old living room den, 5x7, which you could see is paltry in comparison. But now we're going to put something a little bit darker, a little bit more nice and blue, and it's going to match beautifully, and it's going to serve its purpose. And the culprit over there, come here, culprit, come here, Tallulah Bell. Millie, what did you do on the new carpet? Did you make your stamp? Huh? Did you tell the people this is my house? I do what I got to do? Don't look to Daddy. Look, she's so guilty. We love her to death. What did you do? What happened to the new carpet? Now Mama's got to change and put a whole complete... No turning for snack because you went to the bathroom proper on your pad. We'll address that in a minute. In any event, guys, I don't want to take up too much time, but I'm going to keep it real. There's my technician there after, let's see, a half a pitcher of margaritas. But he'll be up and he's going to help me unravel this beautiful new carpet. We're going to put it in here. We're going to throw this old one out. And we're going to have a new living room to show you. Okay, guys, this is still real time. We're home from our tequila lunch and Taco Tuesday. And I showed you the unwrapping of the carpet. We laid it down. My technician woke up within 30 minutes and laid it for me. But what I want to say is we love it. Come and show them Vinny, the beautiful blue. The color is deeper. And we feel safer with Tallulah Bell and whatever she thinks she's going to do to it. It's just a better match for the living room. We have a lot of blues going on here with our table, our pillows. Look, even my planter over there. We got a lot of warm blues. So this is a much better fit for us. The only difference is that the other one we went and picked up from Home Goods. It was long and rolled, so it came unraveled with less wrinkles. This was folded, but you know, within 24, if you ever encounter this, you all know, or maybe not, when you get them folded, they're very wrinkly. So we had to put it out, we spread it, it's underneath our couch legs to secure that, and we, you know, vacuumed it and fussed with it. We have weights on it. Within 24 to 48 hours, it's gonna flatten out. You'll never even know that it wasn't here forever. The wrinkles will be gone and it'll be beautiful. And excuse me, every time we get a new carpet, this young lady thinks it's playtime. This is not a play field. Put Christmas bear. You want, all right, go ahead. Okay, she's gonna be back now before I can finish doing the video. And like I said, real time, real life. This is all done because we have a beautiful little poodle named Millie, and she does damage. She does carpet damage. But we love her and we're willing to change carpets every year or so to keep her happy and us happy and give you ideas. If you're going through the same thing, you can learn a bit from us. We just don't spend a lot, but we wind up getting the best we can for our money. This one was $199 or $2? This was $3. Okay, so we try to cap it off at $300. That's a fair thing to say for an 8x10. $300 is our limit. I'm not paying more than that for a rug. They'll get maybe a year to 2 years out of. And I think that's fair. And to keep my dog happy and me happy, we love it. Okay, here we go, guys. Only a few hours in, and like I said, sorry for the wobble, it is as if it's been here all along, you could say. And you can see the warmth that the deeper blue adds to the living room. I'm so happy with the switch. I don't feel bad about having that little snafu because the lighter one, though pretty, just didn't work out here, you know? And I can't wait to show you guys how beautifully it does work in our family room. So let me try to get a little bit better view here for you. And you'll see that the wrinkles are coming out. Just vacuumed it a second time. And it's pretty cool. So now we're happy. And hopefully Tallulah Bell won't do too much damage. She's, for the most part, 80% very well trained, very good girl. But, you know, like I said, they have mishaps. What are you going to do? That's life in Fur Mommyville. I love my baby. So if I have to keep changing carpets, so be it. But we're happy. It looks great. And hope you enjoy this video.